Greetings. We're here today to discuss a topic that has become increasingly important in our rapidly evolving world: building standards benchmarking. It's more than just a buzzword, it's a fundamental element in our corporate responsibility and financial strategy. Why is this so important, you may ask? Well, as we all know, our buildings, the places where we work, create, and innovate, consume a significant amount of energy. This energy usage not only has a considerable impact on our financial bottom line, but also on our environmental footprint. By benchmarking our building standards, we are essentially measuring and comparing our building's energy performance with others. This not only helps us understand where we stand in relation to our peers, but also identifies opportunities for improvement and cost savings. Furthermore, benchmarking is not a one-time process. It is an ongoing effort that allows us to track our progress over time, ensuring that we are continually improving and adapting to new technologies and sustainability practices. In conclusion, building standards benchmarking is not just about being environmentally responsible. It's also about being financially smart. By understanding and improving our energy performance, we can reduce costs, enhance our reputation, and ultimately, contribute to a more sustainable future. Thank you for your time. Have a wonderful day.